Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a push full guide. Start by building a timeline of major events, prioritize primary sources, and schedule weekly practice essays with active recall and spaced repetition. Use themed note sets, color code causes versus effects, and practice DBQ and LEQ prompts under timed conditions. Track progress, adjust study blocks, and join a study group to discuss interpretations and quiz each other. Turn passive reading into active study by writing concise summaries, making flashcards, and teaching ideas aloud. Color code notes by theme, mark cause versus effect, and link events across eras to build narrative flow. Spend one focused hour on primary sources each session and use one timed practice question to apply evidence. Revisit weaker topics more often and keep a running list of unanswered questions to research later. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more study strategy content. On another note, quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a look and pairs oddly well with planning your study budget and habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For essays, spend 5 minutes outlining a thesis and evidence, then write with clear topic sentences and specific primary source references. In multiple choice, eliminate wrong answers fast and mark questions to return to during the final pass. Simulate full exam conditions monthly to build stamina and time management. After each practice, review mistakes in detail, note recurring weaknesses, and adjust future study sessions to target those gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.